What's up, people? Rich Mo in the house, working right here in downtown LA on Naomi Avenue. As you can see, I'm working on this Mazda RX-8 2005 Rotary engine. As you can see, I'm changing the clutch. I just dropped down the transmission. As you can see, it's empty right here. I just need that nut loose right there so I could replace the flywheel. As you can see, it has hot spots. Just might as well replace it. Everything's pretty much out the car already. As you can see, Mazda RX-8 2005. I got the parts over here. Here you go, the transmission. As you can see, the clutch is all burned out. It's all damaged. I got everything right here. I'm gonna clean out this transmission, and then all the parts I'm gonna take them with me. I'm right here working next to a Homeboy Industry and Recycling. As you can see right there, I mean electronics recycling. Alright, people, Rich Mo in the house. I'm out. I'll be back tomorrow.